Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to enter your PIX survey data. From the dashboard, go to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Select Data Submissions. Then select the PIX Survey tab at the top of the page. You can choose to upload a file or submit a data form. To upload a file, select to upload to either test or production. In this scenario, we will choose production. Click on the Select Files button and choose a file to upload. You will now see the upload file on the table with its status. To view the uploaded surveys or submit a new survey via the data form, select the data form card here, and then select Launch Data Form. Select the calendar year you wish to view. Now, select the View button of the measure you would like to view. Here, you will see all of the surveys that you have entered or uploaded for this reporting period. To add a new survey, hit the Add Survey button. Enter the survey responses. When you're finished, hit the Submit button. You will be able to see the survey you just submitted in the table. You can edit, export, or delete each survey here. You can export one or more surveys by selecting each survey or select all surveys here, and then select the Export button. Review your survey scores here. They will be updated as more survey data is entered. If you uploaded a file with partial information, you can make changes through the data form if desired. Find the survey you want to complete in the table and select to edit. To find more information on this process, including the CSV and XML file formats, follow the link in the video description to the IPF Quality Reporting Program's resources page. And that's it! Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.